In every corner of our existence, we encounter challenges that weigh heavily on our minds and spirits. The Srimad Bhagavad Gita serves as a beacon of hope, providing profound insights into life's struggles and solutions. It teaches us that within the depths of despair lies an opportunity for rebirth, a source of inspiration that opens doors to unforeseen possibilities. Imagine washing away the clouds of disappointment with the wisdom of the Gita, allowing light to seep back into your life, illuminating your path forward with positivity and purpose. The essence of the Bhagavad Gita is not just in its verses, but in its ability to transform thoughts and actions. When individuals commit to studying its teachings daily, they cultivate an inner peace that resonates through their very being. Picture yourself waking up each morning with the determination to engage with the words of Krishna, letting them settle into your mind and heart. This practice doesn't merely change perspectives, it redefines lives, guiding individuals toward their goals and desires, and fostering resilience amidst chaos. A key moment in the Bhagavad Gita is Arjun's moral conflict on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, where he is paralyzed by fear and despair. His anguish lays bare the core human struggle, the battle between duty and personal attachment. Lord Krishna's response is a divine narrative that goes beyond mere guidance. It is a call to realize one's true nature and purpose. Through eloquent dialogue, Krishna instills courage within Arjun, persuading him to rise above the turmoil and embrace his duties. This exchange reflects a universal truth. Often, it is in our darkest hours that we uncover our greatest strength, and the Gita serves as a reminder of our intrinsic power to overcome adversity. The teachings of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita extend far beyond the battlefield. They echo in every household that embraces its lessons. By integrating these teachings into daily life, families cultivate a sanctuary of peace, prosperity, and joy. The promise of abundance resonates in homes adorned with the vibrations of the Gita, shielding them from crisis and nurturing them with blessings. Therefore, let the words of Krishna seep into your daily rituals. Allow them to guide your choices and actions, creating a life that is not only prosperous, but also truly fulfilling. The wisdom of the Gita invites you to embark on a transformative journey. Are you ready to embrace it?